Okay, kiddos, let's start by saying each letter sound one at a time. B, A, T. Now, let's blend those letter sounds to read the word together. Bat, bat, bat. Okay, fantastic blending. Now let's keep going.
Great!
Here comes another word. Follow my lead. R. G. Rug. 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 You got it. Let's do another word.
Woohoo!
Again, kiddos, follow my lead. T. A. G. Tag. 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 Great job, kiddos.
Love it!
Okay, kiddos, let's read this next word together. T. Net. 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 Excellent work, kiddos. Let's read the next word.
Cool.
Here we go, kiddos. Y. A. K. Yak. 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 Wonderful reading. Let's try another one.
High five!
Okay, you know what to do. Follow my lead. P. I. Pin. 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 Nice work, kiddos. Keep it up.
Love it!
Okay, let's make the sound again for each letter. R. A. T. Rat. 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 You're doing amazing. Let's jump on to the next one.
Marvelous!
Let's keep going, kiddos. S. A. D. Sad. 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 Way to go! Let's read another word.
Wonderful!
Let's keep moving, kiddos. You're doing great. J. G. Jog. 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 Super great, kiddos. Let's continue more.
Nice!
Okay, let's do this next one. J. E. T. Jet. 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 Terrific job. Let's move on.
Yahoo!
Let's practice more. Here's this next word. K. P. Cop. 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 You're a blending superstar. Well done.
Yay!
Alright, kiddos, here's the next one. W. E. B. Web. 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 Excellent work, kiddos. Let's keep reading.
Woohoo!
Okay, kiddos, let's try this one. K. E. Can. 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 Fantastic effort. On to the next word.
Wow!
Great reading, kiddos. Now let's sound out the next word. G. Mug. 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 Very good. You're doing so well.
Awesome!
You're doing great. Now let's try this next word. K. I. D. Kid. 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 Wonderful reading. Let's go on.
Brilliant!
Nice one, kiddos. Now follow my lead. D. I. P. Dip. 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 Yay! Keep up the great work.
Hooray!
Ready to read another word? Follow my lead. I. Fix. 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 Amazing job! Let's read another word.
High five!
Okay, kiddos, let's try this next word together. Ka. Ah. B. Cob. Cub. Cub. Well done, kiddos.
It's so much fun!
Let's tackle this next one. Follow my lead. Huh. Oh. P. Hop. 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 Outstanding blending, kiddos. Let's jump on to the next word.
Perfect!
Let's keep practicing. Follow my lead. P. Ah. T. Pot. 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 You're doing fantastic, kiddos.
Wonderful!
Let's try this next word. I. X. Mix. 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 Brilliant work. Let's keep going.
Yay!
Let's sound out each letter together. T. A. B. Tub. 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 Nice reading, kiddos.
Woohoo!
Let's keep practicing. Follow my lead. D. Mud. 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 Excellent job! Now let's try another one.
Cool.
Let's read this next word together. Ha. Ah. G. Hug. 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 Wow, you're a reading champion.
Yay!
Okay, let's read this next one. R. Ah. Run. 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 Awesome job.
Love it.
Well done, kiddos. This is our last word. So let's give our best, okay? G. Eh. Jam. 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 Great blending, kiddos.
Hooray!
Awesome job, super readers. You sounded out every letter and read all the words. Give yourself a big clap, kiddos. Well done. Okay, see you next time. Bye.
Bye, Miss B.
Having fun, kiddos? Please click subscribe for more learning and fun. See you in the next videos.